So in this video, I'm going to share with you a little app that can be used to pass the time that I've personally come to really enjoy.
PBS video. Double tap to open.
You will notice that I've got my screen curtain on and we've got voiceover on.
Blindfold heart. Double tap to open.
So this comes from an outfit called Blindfold Games. I can't remember exactly who the developer is. I think it's something Kids Games or something like that. That's the developer name. But if you go to blindfoldgames.org, you will be able to get more info on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here.
Blindfold Blackjack.
Oops.
Who Double tap to open. Blindfold Crazy Eights. Double tap to open. Blindfold Blackjack. Blindfold Heart. Double tap to open.
So with the exception of Whoboodle, that's not one of their games. But I've got Blackjack, Crazy Eights. I think I've got Roulette on my iPad. But we're going to play Hearts.
Blindfold Heart. Blindfold Heart's main menu.
So we're just going to go through here real quick just so you can see what's here.
Hearts, 3 players. Hearts, 4 players. Current game scores, button. Reset game scores, button. Help, button. Settings, button. Buy or upgrade game, button. Buy or upgrade game, button.
So that's it. So let's take a look at the current scores. If I remember correctly, I'm losing.
Settings, button. Help, button. Reset game scores, button. Current game scores, button.
So we're going to double tap.
Current game scores.
A total of 71 points.
Bob has a total of 44 points. Amy has a total of 53 points. Dave has a total of 40 points.
Now, in this game, you've just heard the two different voices. You can go into the settings and change the voice settings. By default, they use, I believe, Samantha and Daniel or Samantha and Tom at different pitch and different rates. One voice will announce your moves. The other voice will announce everybody else's moves. And all of the players in here are generated by the computer. In terms of card games, the only one that I know of that can do multiple player is another version of Crazy Eights. And I don't remember the exact title of it. There are 2 Crazy Eights games developed by... Oh, it's Crazy Eights with Friends, excuse me. That's what it is. It's Crazy Eights with Friends. So there's Blindfold Crazy Eights and Blindfold Crazy Eights with Friends. And the one that says with Friends, that taps into the Apple Game Center, and you can go in and you can play with friends. Incidentally, if you're watching this on a standard computer, I do apologize for the extreme letterboxing from a vertical perspective. I'm playing this in portrait mode because it's the easiest way to do it with one hand, or I should say one thumb, as you'll see in a moment.
Hearts, 4 players.
So let's go ahead and do 4 players. And before I do, actually, I'm going to turn up the speech just a tad.
Current game scores, button.
There we go.
Hearts, 4 players.
Here we go. So I'm going to double tap.
To go back to the main menu, swipe up with 3 fingers. Starting Hearts, 4 players. Dealing your cards. Dealing Bob's cards. Dealing Amy's cards. Dealing Dave's cards. You have 13 cards. 5 of hearts. 7 of hearts. 8 of hearts. King of hearts. 4 of clubs. 9 of clubs. 10 of clubs. 2 of diamonds. 3 of diamonds. 4 of diamonds. 3 of spades. 8 of spades. Jack of spades.
Bob has the 2 of clubs and goes first. Bob plays 2 of clubs. Amy plays 7 of clubs. Dave plays 3 of clubs.
It's your turn.
So 2, 7, and 3 of clubs. Let me see if I can get rid of a high club.
7 of hearts. 8 of hearts. King of hearts. 4 of clubs. 9 of clubs. 10 of clubs. 2 of diamonds. 10 of clubs.
Let's go ahead and put this down.
You play 10 of clubs. You won with 10 of clubs. It's your turn.
And if you want to find out what cards are in the discard pile. You take 2 fingers.
New hand. No cards have been played yet.
So, no cards have been played yet, so I can play anything. So let's see.
3 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds, 3 of spades, 8 of spades, jack of spades.
So that little donk there, that means you're at the end of your pile. There is a way to navigate by suit, but I can't remember exactly what that is. You'd have to go into the help to find out. Incidentally, when you play the game, you start out with a certain amount of coins, and then you're going to have to upgrade. Or you can do what I did, buy unlimited, because it's not terribly expensive to do. There are some games, though, that are a pretty penny. I think one game, an unlimited, and it wasn't a card game, it was something else, because they've also got games based off of Monopoly and checkers and whatnot. And one of those games, I think the full version was like $20.
8 of spades, 3 of spades, 4 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds.
Let's see.
4 of diamonds.
Let's go ahead and put this down.
You played 4 of diamonds.
Bob plays ace of diamonds. Amy plays jack of diamonds. Dave plays queen of diamonds. Bob won with ace of diamonds. Bob plays 5 of spades. Amy plays ace of spades. Dave plays queen of spades.
It's your turn.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and check the discard pile.
Discard pile cards are 5 of spades, ace of spades, queen of spades.
Okay, so that's good. Means I won't get hit with the queen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see here 5, ace, and queen.
8 of spades, jack of spades.
Let's go ahead and put down the jack.
You played jack of spades.
Amy won with ace of spades. Amy plays 7 of diamonds. Dave plays 9 of diamonds.
It's your turn.
7 and 9 of diamonds, so let's take a look.
8 of spades, 3 of spades, 3 of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 9 of clubs, 3 of diamonds. You played 3 of diamonds.
Bob plays ace of hearts. Dave won with 9 of diamonds. Dave plays 6 of spades.
It's your turn. 8 of spades.
Let me double check the discard pile.
Discard pile cards are 6 of spades,
So let's see, I think I've only got 1 spade.
3 of spades, 8 of spades,
Oh, no, so I could go ahead and put down the 3.
3 of spades.
Let's see, what was the number again?
Discard pile cards are 6 of spades, 8 of spades.
I'll go ahead and put down the 3.
3 of spades. You played 3 of spades.
Bob plays 7 of spades. Amy plays queen of hearts. Bob won with 7 of spades. Bob plays 5 of clubs. Amy plays jack of clubs. Dave plays 6 of diamonds.
It's your turn.
So clubs, 5, and a jack. Let's
9
see.
of clubs, 4 of clubs, king of hearts, 8 of king, 4 of clubs, 9 of clubs, 2 of diamond, 9 of clubs. You play 9 of clubs.
Amy won with jack of clubs. Amy plays 8 of diamonds. Dave plays 5 of diamonds.
It's your turn.
Let's see, so 5 of diamonds, I believe, is the only thing up there.
8 of spades, 2 of diamonds. You play 2 of diamonds.
Bob plays 6 of hearts. Amy won with 8 of diamonds. Amy plays 10 of diamonds. Dave plays king of diamonds.
It's your turn.
Let's see, what do we have in the discard pile?
Discard pile cards are 10 of diamonds, king of diamonds,
Let's see, 10 and king of diamonds.
8 of spades, 4 of clubs, king of hearts, 8 of hearts, 7 of heart, 5 of heart.
Well, I don't have any diamonds, so let's go ahead and get rid of a heart. Why not? Hearts have been broken.
8 of king of hearts, 4 of king of hearts. You played king of hearts.
Bob plays 8 of clubs. Dave won with King of Diamonds. Dave plays 9 of spades.
It's your turn. 8 of spades. You played 8 of spades.
Bob plays 10 of spades. Amy plays Jack of hearts. Bob won with 10 of spades. Bob plays 6 of clubs. Amy plays Queen of clubs. Dave plays 4 of spades.
It's your turn.
Okay, so let me see.
Discard pile cards are 6 of clubs, Queen of clubs, 4 of spades, 4 of clubs, 8 of hearts, 4 of clubs.
That's the only club I got left. Let's go ahead and play that.
You played 4 of clubs.
Amy won with Queen of clubs. Amy plays 3 of hearts. Dave plays 9 of hearts.
It's your turn.
You know, unless I missed something, I'm actually recording this video here, and this is the only time I haven't gotten a single trick.
Discard pile cards are 3 of hearts, 9 of hearts,
Let's see.
8 of hearts. You played 8 of hearts.
Bob plays 4 of hearts. Dave won with 9 of hearts. Dave plays King of spades.
It's your turn. 7 of hearts. 5 of hearts. 7 of hearts. You played 7 of hearts.
Bob plays 2 of hearts. Amy plays ace of clubs. Dave won with King of spades. Dave plays 2 of spades.
It's your turn. You have 1 cards. 5 of hearts. You played 5 of hearts.
Bob plays King of clubs. Amy plays 10 of hearts. Dave won with 2 of spades.
You won 1 tricks and have 0 points.
Bob won 3 tricks and have 2 points. Amy won 4 tricks and have 14 points. Dave won 5 tricks and have 10 points.
You have a total of 71 points.
Bob has a total of 46 points. Amy has a total of 67 points. Dave has a total of 50 points.
Round is over. Swipe up with 3 fingers to return to the main menu, or swipe up with 1 finger to play another round.
So, for the sake of this video, that's the only round we're going to play. So I'm going to swipe up with 3 fingers.
Hearts, 4 players.
And now I'm going to go into the help,
Current game scores. Reset game scores. Help button. Settings button.
or I'm sorry, into the settings, and just show you what's here. Oops.
Hearts. Current game scores button. Reset game scores button. Help button. Settings button.
I don't know why my voiceover cursor decided to bounce up to the top.
Settings heading. Done button. Game settings heading. Background music. Now it is piano bar soft.
And so that was the piano we were hearing in the background, and you can play, you can select, if we go in here to background music.
Background music. Background music. Piano bar soft button. Piano bar medium button. Piano bar loud button. Quiet button. Cancel button.
So I'm going to cancel because I like it on soft where it was.
Background music. Now it is piano bar soft. Target score. Now it is 100.
So apparently you can adjust the target score on this.
Target score. Target score.
Now, in my family, when we play hearts, we'll usually play 4 rounds of left, right, across, and no pass, and then that's it. Although a lot of times we'll also play to 50. It depends on which of my family members I'm playing with. Typically, you play to 100 points. However, there are some more choices here.
100 button. 250 button. 500 button.
Now, the default is 250, which I was actually rather surprised about. I'd never heard of a hearts game going to 250 or to 500 for that matter.
Cancel button. Target score. Now it is 100.
But usually in our family we play to about 100
Ding if the card is playable.
or to 50 or after the 4 rounds, but I've heard that it's typically played to 100 points. So let's take a look again at that option.
Ding if the card is playable. Now it is on.
So ding if the card is playable. Gives you a sound effect if the card's playable.
Choose a competitor. Now it is random.
You can randomly set your competitors. I personally don't touch this.
Common settings. Heading.
So we got common settings.
Less talk and sound effects. Now it is off.
I'm not sure what that is. Less talk and sound effects. I personally like to have it at the defaults, especially if I've not played for a while, because I like to play a couple of different variants of Hearts games. So it's nice to have the directions here so I can just pick up and play and not wonder.
Post my new high score to none.
Post my new high score to none. So what is that?
Post my new high score to
So if I go ahead and scroll through here,
Facebook button.
Facebook,
Twitter button.
Twitter,
None button.
or none.
Cancel button.
I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel.
Post my new high score to none. Customize voices.
I mentioned earlier that you can go in and customize the voices. This is where you would do it.
Cancel button.
So now we're in the customize voices option.
Voices. Heading. Save button.
And I'm just using the traditional voiceover gestures to navigate this in case anybody's curious.
Select the voice settings for your actions and for your selected English countries. Select the voice settings for your actions and for your opponent's or the dealer's actions. To change the speed or pitch of your voice or the opponent's voice, tap the info button. To select the voice for you or your opponent, tap the info button for the voice.
So you select the voice for your data and your opponent's data basically in the game, what cards they're playing, etc., because you saw that in the playthrough. And you can change the pitch and speed and whatnot.
Save button.
And when you're done with that, you just hit save.
Voices. Heading. Cancel button. Voices. Save. Selected. All countries. Button. 2 of 2. Voice for your actions is Eva. Enhanced. Speed is slow. Pitch is 5. Volume is 10. Button.
So I've
Actions
got
available.
Ava selected for my actions.
More info. Button. 1 of 18. Voice for your opponent's or dealer actions is Alex. Speed is slow. Pitch is 5. Volume is 10. Button. Actions available.
And for my opponent's actions is Alex. And
More info. Button.
so
1
if
of 18.
I
Actions
hit
available.
more info,
More info. Use this voice for. Set speed. Set pitch. Button. Set volume. Button. Cancel. Button. Cancel. Button. Cancel. Use this voice for. Use this voice for. Set speed. Set pitch. Set volume. Cancel. Button. Cancel. Button. Voices. Heading. Cancel. Button.
so I'm going to get out of here because I like the voices the way they are.
Voice for your actions is Eva. Enhanced. All countries. Button. Selected. English. Select the voice settings. Save. Button. Voices. Head. Cancel. Button. Customize voices. Use braille display instead of speaking. Now it is off.
Now, I don't have a braille display with me, but you do have the option to do that if you would like to do that.
Customize game sounds.
You can customize the game sounds.
Use full keyboard instead of screen. Now it is off.
Now, I've got a Bluetooth keyboard that goes with my iPhone, but I haven't used it in a long time. But if I wanted to, I could use that keyboard as opposed to the touch screen. Let's say you have your phone in your backpack and you've got a Bluetooth keyboard with you and a Bluetooth headset. You could go ahead and use them.
Use gesture menu. Now it is off. Repeat message if it wasn't spoken. Now it is on.
Now,
Use gesture menu. Now it is off.
this gesture menu thing, I genuinely have no idea what that does.
Repeat message if it wasn't spoken. Now it is on.
The repeat message, that's turned on.
About. Heading.
And then you got your about.
Version 1.6.2. Learn about our other apps.
And from here, you could learn about the other apps. And what this will do is this will open a list, I believe, that incidentally, if you install this for the very first time, by default, it'll show you that list of all their games they have available. And it's quite an extensive list. But no, this is Blindfold Hearts. And like I said before, they've got Blindfold Crazy Eights, Blindfold Blackjack, Blindfold Roulette. They've got other games based on things like Battleship and Monopoly and whatnot. So if anybody would like to learn more about them, feel free to visit the App Store or ask me, and I'll be happy to try them out and demo them. Feel free to leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Comments are welcome, and have a nice day.